Hi there, this is Hafiz from Melbourne PTE Study Center. Today we are going to publish our April prediction file. So how you can access April prediction file? First of all, you have to go to this particular URL. The URL is center.melbournepte.study. If you go there, what you need to do, first of all, you have to click login. Then you have to click sign up. First, you have to create an account with us. So I'm clicking by signing, I agree. Now I'm clicking create new account. Okay, so I made a mistake that I have to use one uppercase and one lowercase and a special character. So I'm going to do that one again. Yeah, I have set my password and it's saying yes. It's showing green. That means I have done correctly. Now I'm pressing create new account. After creating account, you have to go to my course. So if you click my courses, here we don't have any courses. You don't need to do anything. What you need to do, you have to click here access code. Our admin will give you the access code through Telegram or email. Please ask your access code for the prediction file for the month of April. Whenever you will add the access code, automatically you will get the access of the prediction file. I can show you right now. Please have a look. So here I click the access code, these box came, and I'm using my access code. Remember, this access code is used, that is I'm going to use. So I click submit and it will show you that within next 2 seconds it will be added. Now you can see that prediction file is here. So my prediction file, I have the access. So you can log in. Welcome Hafiz. This is my prediction file, PTE prediction file April. If I click that prediction file, then what I will do, you don't need to go through what is prediction file and all these things, because this chapter is for outside students. So you can go to the main prediction file. Here you click that toggle. Remember that main prediction file, you can get all file in one page. That is, here it is the full file. So you have to press next to bring the next pages. But if you think that okay, you go for the chapter wise, so I can go all the chapter wise as well. So you can click fill in the blanks reading. So it will be fill in the blanks reading. Next page. So it is the indexing of fill in the blanks, and all the fill in the blanks are here. So we have given you the main prediction file, 177 pages. Or if you go for the chapter wise, we have given you as well. Now start practicing, and if you have any issue, contact us so that we can help you to solve your problems, and start practicing April prediction file. Thank you.